How to set up domain on Weebly, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up domain on Weebly. So let's get started. You will open up your weebly.com and you will get right here. This is our main dashboard on Weebly. So once you sign into your Weebly, it will actually show you all of the websites that you have, and we have some of the other options given. So here, if you scroll down a little bit, it will actually show you the set up your domain option if you have not yet set up your domain. So all you need to do is just click on set up domain. It will take you right here. You can see, select your domain name. So if you do not have a domain, you can select a new domain. Let's go ahead and find one. Maybe click on search, and it will show you the available domains. You can see right here we have a domain included in the free 1 year plan. So you can see right here the foodiescart.com is available. Then we have some of the others. So you can choose the domain and buy a domain name and get a domain name for free with the Weebly plan. Or if you already have a domain and you want to connect or transfer it, click on this option, enter your domain, choose the option to transfer your domain, connect your domain, and then your domain will be added on Weebly with this option right here. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.